Hey, it's Chris Nichols here from the Camera Store, and I want to tell you about the Canon EOS Rebel T7i because this is by far the most capable Canon Rebel that they've made so far. And you still get the same great lightweight body, it's easy to carry, I love the rotating screen, but now you're getting the 24 megapixel 80D sensor, which is just incredible for low light performance and dynamic range. I love the clarity out of it, and you also get a very sophisticated autofocusing system. So this is a Canon EOS Rebel that's perfectly at home shooting some sports and wildlife and journalism, action. It's a really capable camera. The best part though is it's on sale right now for Canon's Best in Glass sale. So you're going to save $200 on this camera. That's going to bring it down to $949.99. Now on top of that, you're also going to get a brand new Canon Speedlight 270EX to go with it. And until Mother's Day, you're also going to get a Canon free accessory kit. So you're going to get your extra battery, your bag, your flash, everything you need to get started. Check it out at canon.thecamerastore.com.